Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries worldwide, and music is no exception. From composition to performance, AI is reshaping how we create and experience sound. Recently, AI-generated covers of classic songs, like Stand By Me, have gone viral, sparking both fascination and debate. These covers showcase AI's impressive ability to mimic human voices and musical styles. This phenomenon raises crucial questions about the future of human creativity, intellectual property, and the very definition of artistry in the digital age. We'll explore these impacts and more. The journey of AI in music began much earlier than many realize, with its roots tracing back to the mid-20th century. Early experiments laid the groundwork for today's advanced systems. In the 1950s, the ELIAC computer at the University of Illinois was one of the first to compose music, albeit simple melodies. This marked a significant, if rudimentary, step. Fast forward to today, and we have sophisticated platforms like Suno and Udio. These tools can generate entire songs, complete with vocals and instrumentation, from simple text prompts. These modern AI systems leverage deep learning and neural networks, analyzing vast datasets of existing music to learn patterns, styles, and emotional nuances. This allows them to create original compositions. So, how exactly does AI learn to sing? It's a complex process involving several key technological components. One crucial element is the MEL spectrogram. A MEL spectrogram is a visual representation of the frequency content of a sound over time, similar to a musical score, but with more detail. AI models analyze these spectrograms to understand vocal characteristics. Next, a vocoder is often used. This technology synthesizes speech by analyzing and then resynthesizing the human voice, allowing AI to generate new vocal performances. Advanced neural network models, trained on massive datasets of human singing, then learn to map these spectrograms and vocoder outputs to generate realistic-sounding voices. They can mimic pitch, timbre, and emotion. These models can even be fine-tuned to replicate the unique vocal qualities of specific artists, leading to the uncanny ability to create covers in the style of famous singers. The viral Stand By Me AI covers are a prime example of this technology in action. They demonstrate AI's capacity to not just generate sound, but to evoke a sense of familiarity and nostalgia. These covers often feature AI voices mimicking legendary artists, creating a surreal experience for listeners. The quality can be surprisingly high, blurring the lines between human and artificial performance. Analyzing these covers reveals both the strengths and current limitations of AI. While pitch and rhythm can be near perfect, subtle emotional nuances sometimes remain elusive. The AI might hit all the right notes, but the raw, unquantifiable emotion that a human singer brings to a performance can still be difficult for algorithms to fully replicate. Despite these advancements, AI in music still faces significant weaknesses. One major challenge is capturing the true depth of human creativity and emotion. AI-generated compositions, while technically proficient, can sometimes lack the unique spark, the unexpected twist, or the profound personal touch that defines human artistry. There's a risk of AI-produced music sounding formulaic or merely imitating established artists without genuine innovation. It can struggle with true originality. The rise of AI in music also brings forth complex ethical and economic considerations. One major concern is the impact on jobs within the music industry. As AI tools become more capable, there are fears that they could displace human musicians, composers, and producers, leading to job losses. This is a valid concern for many. Authorship and credit are also pressing issues. When an AI generates a song, who owns the rights? Is it the programmer, the user, or the AI itself? These questions are currently unresolved. Copyright and intellectual property concerns are paramount, especially since many generative AI models are trained on vast, often unlicensed, datasets. This raises questions about fair use and infringement. Looking ahead, the future of AI in music is not about replacing human creativity, but rather augmenting it. AI can serve as a powerful tool for artists. Imagine AI assisting with complex arrangements, generating new soundscapes, or even helping overcome creative blocks. It can free up artists to focus on the emotional core of their work, Navigating this future requires a focus on ethical considerations, transparency in AI algorithms, human-centered values, fairness, and privacy must guide its development. By embracing AI responsibly, we can unlock new dimensions of musical expression and creativity, fostering a symbiotic relationship between human artistry and artificial intelligence. What are your thoughts on AI's role in music? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into technology's impact on our world.